fitting a Masthead amplifier and power unit. Now this is the Masthead amplifier. It would normally go outside on the mast where the aerial is. Now if you read very carefully, you will have 4 outputs and we've got the aerial input there. We have here, this is to adjust the amount of signal that you get, signal gain. You can drop it right down to 12 dB, right up to 25 dB. 25 dB isn't twice as much, it's more likely 5 or 10 times as much as the 12 dB. These are F plugs, F sockets, and you then screw in your F plugs here, along here, and obviously this one, as I just said, is for the aerial itself. What we have here is a power unit. Show you what it says. This is a 12 volt power unit that drives the amplifier that I've just shown you. We have the input and the output. The input is the 12 volts that comes out, and the output is where you would plug in your TV. This power unit would normally be down next to your main TV in the house. Now I'm just going to take this to make it easy for you to understand. So we have the aerial here. And this aerial would go in this section here. Now, any one of these outputs, you can drive this amplifier with the power unit. So 12 volts comes out and it can go into that one, or that one, or that one, or that one. We'll stick it on that one for now. And then these would be to TV 1, TV 2, TV 3. This one here, the out, this will be TV 4. So just clarify, this is the 12 volts. The aerial signal would go down there, and then you would have an adjustment that will adjust the signal level. If it does go wrong, the first thing to check is the 12 volt power unit, and to see if there is 12 volts coming out. So that's it. Hopefully I've explained it well enough for you to understand. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.